Look at that right there. Whoa! Beautiful beach. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today you caught me on a bit of a hunt. So what I'm doing is I know that there is a hike called the 12-mile Delta, which I've done before, but I haven't done in a very long time. So the plan is to go on a hunt for this. And the reason I called it a hunt is because I don't really remember where it was. I do know the road it was in, just the spot where to find it. So join me. Let's find this place together, eh? It's such a good feeling to arrive at the car park of a hike and to see no cars there. So 12-mile Delta is divided into a few different spots like picnic area, camping ground, and then the trek here. This trek actually leads to Bob's Cove, which is another hike which I've done before, but it's a beautiful place. We might make these two treks in one. Yeah, so I don't really remember how far this goes, but it probably takes you all the way to Bob's Cove. So yeah, I did see a few camper vans, a few big buses parked at the camping spots, but not anywhere close to here, so that's good. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love this. I love that this beautiful river just goes along with this track. I miss that sound, man, the sound of a river flowing. I haven't heard it in so long. Amazing. I would like this little thicket we're walking into. Nice trees. Little cuts in the trail where it takes us to different parts. I'm not sure where, but we're gonna stick to the main road today. Another sign. Car parks there. And we move on. Bob's Cove. Only 2 hours, maybe. Do you guys hear that? A loud rumble. I think it's more than a river. There's a waterfall close by. Oh, yes, there it is. Wow. So it goes that way. I would not be surprised at all if, yeah, those rocks kept falling down. Yep. Well, it's been cleared for now. Let's hope it still is on the way back. This is exactly, or at least looks like, Wow, the spot where they filmed that scene from Lord of the Rings. Frodo and Sam are hiding from the elephants. Forgot the name of the gang. The nation. Because I'm mixing my Skyrim and Lord of the Rings information right now. The only name that's coming to my mind is Khajiit. And I know they're part of Skyrim, not Lord of the Rings. Calm down. Anyway, the Oliphants, the giant, huge ass elephant looking things that will come to reinforce Sauron. This is where they spotted them, somewhere here at least, because that's where the army was marching. Alright, so I know I said that we're going to stay on track until we hit Bob's Cove, but I just spotted a little, how do you say, diversion. But it looks pretty good, right? Especially with that big tree at the end. So I need to go check that out. Let's see. What can we find here? Alright, we are at the tree. Let's keep going. Definitely hear the river, but no. Well, oh well. You win some, you lose some. Back to the main trail. Alright, so we're starting to go up a bit of an incline. So let's see where this goes. All right. Oh. You can see everything. So over there is the camping spot, camper van spot, which means I parked my car somewhere around there. We came all this way, like so. Alright, what have we come across here? So this is a little trap. You see the edge there? There's a little trap behind it. So New Zealand is home to a lot of invasive species. Invasive in the sense that settlers brought them in here with us and they've grown to overpopulate the region, and as a result they've been destroying the native wildlife and habitats around here. So alright guys, trail update. I'm pretty sure we're close to Bob's Cove by now, just because of the look of the trail resembles Bob's Cove so much, and the lake's getting closer. Here we go. Look at that right there. Whoa! Beautiful beach. Yeah, we're basically completed a 12-mile delta hike walk, and now I'm going up this hill. We're going to come to the top of the Bob's Cove walk, which should give us some beautiful views. guys. I'm still panting away, but we have reached the top. So yay! Alright, now that I've caught my breath for a little bit, I can explain why it looks like there's two lakes here. Alright, now that I've caught my breath for a little bit, I can explain why it looks like there's two lakes here. Alright, so firstly, this is Lake Wakatipu, and this is Lake Wakatipu as well. It's just an inlet, so this little land in the middle is just growing all the way to that end where these two bodies of water meet. So yeah, that's about it really, but it gives you a cool perspective. Alright, so I've come to a little bit of a decision. We're not going to be going back the same way we came. I'm going to go to the end of, well, to the start of Bob's Cove. And from there, we're going to follow the main road. Yeah. Yes, there's not as much to see, but what little there will be, it's new. Before we go to the main road, I want to show you one of my favorite spots on the Bob's Cove trek. Amazing little spot here. Look at that. But yeah, crystal clear waters, beautiful mountain views. Couldn't get better than this. Amazing. Oh, this is madness. I'm walking away from the car to get to the start of Bob's Cove and then go back all the way again. Oh, I don't even know if there's a path next to the main road. I can't remember because I always drive there. Alright guys, behind me is the entrance to Bob's Cove. As you can probably hear, we're on the main road. So we are halfway done with the walk. I think it's pretty cool. The road. Look at me. There's a car coming. Oh god. Well, look at that. Open fields. I drove past this place hundreds of times, but I never really walked it. Look at that. Got a little garden there. Playpen, sorry. Some houses. Alright guys, Operation Walk on Public Streets is going. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's fine. It's enjoyable. I like it. Right, so this is another trek that comes through here. You cross the road and you go over there. But I'm not sure if this is the 12 Mile Delta or like one of the other treks. You know what? Let's go this way. Let's see what we can find. We got enough energy for this. It is 12 Mile Delta picnic and camping area. 30 minutes. Awesome. Alright, we're halfway there. As we near the end of this walk, which was a bit unexpected at the end, you know, how we went to the roads, we found the little trail that took us to, you know, away from the main road, which I wasn't really sure. Of course, I should know. I've been living here for so long. I should know this, but remember this part, by the way. yeah, so I hope we learned a lot of lessons. I know I did. I know I definitely need to be in better shape for these kind of ones, so I'll be getting on that. And for you guys, if you did enjoy the walk itself, you should consider coming down here. There's so much more trails, so much more things to see, and it's just rewarding. I was so close to not making it. I was just in bed, covers pulled over, curtains closed, like not today. But I'm happy I did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a guess and say that this is gonna be quite a long video. So for those of you all who stuck till the end, muchas gracias. So guys, please if you want to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. Maybe hit that like as well, as it really helps my channel out. I'm still growing, such a tiny little channel, but yeah, hopefully not for long, you know. And yeah, with your help, who knows how far we could go. Alright, here we are, right at the end, or rather at where I started. As I walk towards my car gratefully, I want to take this opportunity to tell you guys thank you once again. Let's have a good rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.